Have you ever heard of dopamine design? It's one of my favorite things. Let's talk about it. You may know about dopamine as your feel-good neurotransmitter. It gives you happiness, motivation. It's kind of like a great big hug. Dopamine can be so helpful for your mood that some doctors actually prescribe medications that increase dopamine, like Wellbutrin. But did you know that you can boost dopamine by decorating? The cool part about it is there's really no wrong to dopamine decorate. Our moods are cued by our surroundings. Here are 3 signs that dopamine decorating may be helpful for you. Number 1, when you see a mess, it stresses you out. Number 2, you feel you're most productive when you're in an environment that feels soothing, calm, and like yourself. And number 3, simply changing it up in your environment can make a huge positive impact in your well-being. Let's talk a little bit about the research behind this. There is a study that was done looking at productivity in workers in a warehouse. The owners were trying to figure out ways to increase profit. So the researchers did a little experiment. What they did is they changed the wattage in the light bulbs. Amazingly, productivity skyrocketed, but this benefit didn't last. The benefits wore off and they ended up losing the productivity that they had gained. And so the researchers went back to the original bulbs. And guess what happened? Productivity went back up. What we learned from this study is your environment matters. If you feel stuck in a rut, the first thing to do is to make a change. The second thing to do is to make it dopamine boosting for you.